Bonjour. My name is Michael Lyons, and I am the author and illustrator of the Ojibwe language comic strip, Ojibberish. I've also written a number of children's books in Ojibwe Moan and a comic book on depression with instructions on how to meditate. My next book, and the Kickstarter project I'm hoping you'll support, is called I Can't Talk About It, Dealing with Difficult Feelings and Facing Problems. This will be a picture book written for children as young as 8, and it will address some of the mental health issues kids are dealing with in an age-appropriate and culturally relevant way. This book begins with a comic about a skunk dealing with loss and how he copes with it. It will include Ojibwe words and phrases for different feelings and behaviors. There will be activities which help kids identify different emotional states and increase their vocabulary for talking about feelings. I Can't Talk About It also offers strategies for self-calming and emotional regulation. Finally, there's a chapter on the proper use of sage, with instructions on how you can start your own talking circle with your friends and family. The language will be simple enough for a second grader to comprehend, but I'm hoping it will help facilitate a discussion between the child and an adult. To complete this book, I'll be working with mental health professionals from North Home's Children and Family Services in Bemidji, teachers and language specialists from the Red Lake School District, the Suicide Prevention Program at Evergreen Youth and Family Services, and more than anyone, I'll be listening to the kids I work with. This is my Kickstarter project, and I'm hoping you will help me fund it. Miigwech.